Thanks.
Got a couple more people coming in.
Yeah.
I'll have y'all next.
Oh, I can tell you somebody filmed the elevator going up, a YouTuber. The elevators do not have an epic motor. It's an elevator enthusiast like me. Yeah.
So inside the rainforest, there's no food, drinks, flash photography, or touching anything. This includes the butterflies as they're extremely delicate. Your only exit will be up at the top of the rainforest, and there are unfortunately no bathrooms inside.
Used to have a thing over there, but it doesn't anymore. I'm gonna walk through this really fast. Look at right there. Soldiers. Wonder if they work. Look. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry, excuse me. Sorry. Why go to the elevators? I'm just doing it quick. Oh, and there's one. Excuse me.
Oh, sorry.
I'm sorry, I gotta walk through this quickly. I gotta get out here quickly because I'm not doing a video. Look. We gotta do this quickly. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me. I gotta do this quickly. Oh wow, look.
I love that. That's my
We're locked in for water
Excuse me.
It's like a nice suburb, right?
correct, yes.
I gotta go. Wow, I love the butterflies. Excuse me. I gotta do this quickly. I gotta go. You're at the main entrance. Thank you. I got here with this one. If you didn't see, oh, never. Oh, sorry, I had to go through this quickly. Wow, I love this. Someone went up the elevator. It's posted on YouTube. It does not have an epic motor.
Every year, snow melt and rainfall cause the mighty Amazon River to overflow its banks. Dry land is plunged underwater to submerge 3-story houses. Look out the window. Some animals take up temporary residence among the flooded beaches.
Oh,
Hi.
hey.
Are you exiting?
Yeah, I'm just riding. Someone went up the elevator, you know? It's on YouTube.
Okay.
I'll be back. Wow, it works. Sorry, I'm going down now. I'm going down now. I'm exiting. Sorry about that. I just saw a YouTuber do it. But thank you anyway.
Every year, snow melt and rainfall cause the mighty Amazon River to overflow its banks. Dry land is plunged underwater to submerge a 3-story house. Look out the window. Some animals take up temporary residence among the flooded treetops.
Wow. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Thank you.
Yeah.
You're a good
Hiring
man.
past the yellow line on the ground.
You're a good man.
Need to go in more.
Oh,
Set it that way more.
oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Look at that. There's one of the elevators.
What's that from?
Here it goes. Wow, look at that.
That must be so fun when he floats up and over. Maybe that's like, you know, when you get on a slide and you like to keep getting on the slide.